Hey guys, welcome back for mechanic channel. Before going to video, please subscribe our channel because you can get up to date phone knowledge from our channel. And in this video we have learned about how to change your phone ringtone in Vivo Y33s mobile. And here we go. First go to the setting, then press the sound option. After that select your ringtone as you like. Here variety of ringtone available as you like, you can choose. And then click custom ringtone option, select from your phone gallery. Unfortunately I have nothing from my gallery. And that's all, friends. Thanks for watching.